What is up? What is up? Hi. Okay, welcome to this video. How do I say this without sounding stupid? I don't. Okay, here's the deal. I thought, Iris, why not vlog a week in your busy life? Because that's fun. It isn't. It's currently Monday. It's 9:30 and I already regret this decision, but I'm gonna document this week. I have exams, I have orals, I have so much to do, so many important things with deadlines this week. I thought it would be fun to show you guys this stressful week in my life. I have an oral 3:30, so I have to leave at like 2, and after that I need to test for an app that we're creating. So I have an entire morning to do stuff. I wrapped him up in a towel. Usually he hates this, like hates it. Now he's softly purring. Alright, so I'll show it to you in a second. Let me tell you about this assignment that I'm working on. We need to make a little book about it with sketch notes. It's basically we get classes about the history of art and design and stuff. Everything that has to do with graphic design, normal design, technology. Super quick so it's not awkward because I'm in the school's bathroom. I got a 7.6, which is great because his highest grade ever was an 8. Also, I got another coffee stain on this top. I bought it twice stained it with coffee. I'm gonna quickly try and get it out, and then I'm gonna continue working. What is up, guys? I've been home for a few hours now, and today was a pretty good day. It was a tiring day. We did the testing. So for the team project that I'm doing, we had to test some stuff with people in the gym. So we had to go to the gym and we had to like go up to people and be like, hey guys, you want to test our app? So we did that, and then I went home. I actually got some fries as dinner because I was too late to eat dinner at home. And now I'm going to get ready for bed. I look really white. It's 9 p.m. I'm going to write a little to-do list for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna chill out for a second and head to bed. Tomorrow is another rough day, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, good morning guys. It's currently 7:20 a.m. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat breakfast, and then I'm in a hurry to finish all my work. Chippy! Je hebt echt een zwaar leven. It's done. It's finished. It's finally finished. I'll be doing a flip through sometime around soon. Currently I'm gonna pack my stuff. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna eat lunch. Yeah, that's it. I also need to tidy this because this is a mess. And I might need another cup of coffee. Alright, hold up. What about this look? I am serving looks today, guys. Beanie from Liverpool. This little turtleneck thing with 2 very special necklaces. This cool blouse, and then my jeans. I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, I need to pack my bag and have dinner. No, not dinner. What? I need to pack my bag and have lunch. I am now on my way to the train station on my bike right now, because that's how it works in the Netherlands. I have my oral and then I have homework to do, so I'll catch you guys soon. Super attractive. Why is this lighting so fucked up? Currently I am scanning a lot of my stuff for my subject that I have tomorrow. Today went great. I got an 8. What was it? An 8.7 or something? Yeah, I got an 8.7, which is really great. Actually got a 9 on the little journal thing that I showed. And then I worked on this thing what I'm working on right now at school until like 6 p.m. or something. Then I went home and I had dinner, and now I'm continuing on with working on this. It was actually pretty fun at school with a lot of my classmates, so we had fun and we talked and we did our work, and now I'm just gonna work on this. It's gonna take me a while. It's 11 p.m. and I just had a minor anxiety attack. We love life. We love stress. It's everything together. Alright, I'm ready for school. This is what I'm wearing. Last presentation of the week. I'm super excited. I am on my way to school. My very sweet dad is dropping me off at the train station so I don't have to ride my bike. He's very kind. Anyway, and then I am going with the train to Amsterdam, and yeah. I am FaceTiming this person here. Boop. Ik boepte je neus. Dus... Boep. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm just gonna be here for the rest of the day. Bye. Good morning. I look terrible. It is Thursday today, which means the last day of school for me, of the week. I am very moody today. I'm in the biggest fuck you mood ever. I have a group project meeting and then a working meeting scheduled. And don't get me wrong, I like the people in my group, most of them, but it's just hard because we're not really used to working in groups yet. It takes a lot of energy from all of us, not just from me, from all of us. So yeah, and I don't really have any energy right now. I slept terrible. I'll be at school until 9 p.m. today, which sucks. I don't usually have it that late, but I have a commission meeting thing. Oh my god, I'm so done. Alright, I'm in the car on the way to the train station again. We're a little late, so I hope I make the train. Other than that, when I woke up this night at 3 a.m. and I checked the time, I got a notification from Twitter saying that Michael Clifford is engaged. to get my vlogging camera, so I'm gonna do it like this. I'm on my way on campus because I am going to the quiet space, the silence space, because I'm gonna take a nap, if it's possible. I'm gonna go take a nap at school because I have to be at school until 9, so I'm way too lazy and I can't deal with that without a nap. So I'll tell you how it went. Bye. Alright, I just got to... It's translated to contemplation room. And it has these little... It's got fat boys and like a bench to lay on. I'm not sure I'm actually gonna go and take a nap. I was just hoping that it would be quiet here. Nobody's here. I'm just gonna take a rest right now. I am gonna set an alarm because I'm scared that if I do fall asleep, I'll sleep through everything. This feels comfy. Alright guys, I am home. My dad actually already went to bed, so I'm trying to stay quiet. I'm gonna get ready for bed right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have the weekend. I wanted to start off with saying good morning, but I'm not so sure if it's good. It's currently Friday. I've been awake for 45 minutes and I've not yet left my bed. We've got the cleaning lady coming over in an hour. And my room is still a huge mess, so I need to tidy it. What is up with you? Alright guys, so it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I haven't done a lot today. I have to get ready in a bit because I have to run an errand. I need to do a tiny something for school, but I might just do that tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's safe to say that I look like shit. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, this is like crackhead, get ready with me. What do we need? A bag? That was not smart. Okay. That's how you know you fucked up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hi, I look like a fuckboy. I haven't gone yet because I thought, you know what? Why just not add a hat? You should just hide away behind all these layers of clothing. Alright, we've had a little bit of a change of plans. We're going out to eat for dinner right now. It's 7 p.m. Yeah, that's the plan. So I just quickly did my makeup and stuff and now we're leaving. So I got home about an hour ago. Today was not productive at all, so I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was gonna be hard to vlog for an entire week and keep it up, but I kind of managed to do it, and I'm excited to start editing it. I think I have a really great format in mind, a really great idea sketched out in my head of how I want it to look like, and I hope I get to see you guys more often. Please let me know if you thought this was fun, if you want to see more weekly vlogs or more themed videos about a certain topic. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with all your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!